Take you through the steps on how to add stationery to an order. So let's click on New Order, add in all the basic information like you always would. For the sake of time, I'm just going to do some random dates on mine. Of course, you would put in all the precise names, dates, titles, spelling. Go over to the frame icon, click on the main photo that we'll be cutting out. Make sure we know who it is we're cutting out and leaving if there's two people, and save and continue. And on this page 2, you'll notice things look a little different. We've got all our a la carte items over here you can order individually. And we've added cat panels and stationery graphics as well. And then we've got these 5 starred products, and all of those indicate products that come with the marquee and the legacy artwork at no charge. Over here on the right, you can see we've got a bundle package where you can get the stationery with the main product and the marquee and legacy as well. So let's click on that and see what is involved with this. And this is how you're going to really bundle and save the most money and get the most bang for your buck. So at the top, you can see you've got this black bar, and everything's just grayed out right now. And this is going to turn green. These items will turn green as you add them, so you can always keep track of what you're doing. And the total will always keep track as well. So moving down, we've got our basic information, our photo. If something doesn't look right here, you can go back in and edit it. Next, you'll see your choice of your main products. And you can click on any one of these and follow the suit. Let's just go with the portrait for now. Tell us what you want on the 8x10s as far as text. You can see all the things that still come with this main product, the 2 big versions with and without text, 8x10 with and without, legacy, marquee, and then you've got all your stationery items that we'll get into. So next thing we have to do is add our background. So you can see there's 5 there, there's another 5. I think we have 25 different backgrounds. You can scroll through any of those that you like. I'm going to pick waterfall in this case. Select this as our background. Now if we go up to the top now, we can see that we've already grabbed a stationery portrait series, which is this, and we've picked our background. And our total is $33.90, which is that total. If you would like to add your own custom background, you would click here, and that is a $20 upcharge. There's quite a bit of extra work that goes into incorporating that background into all the pages and all the products for the artist. So that is a $20 upcharge, but in this case, for this tutorial, we're going to stick with the waterfall, and we're going to move on to our next products, which is the marquee and the legacy. If you click on the marquee, you'll see everything is just the way it was before, and for the sake of time again on this tutorial, I'm going to skip that one. But the legacy I'm going to go ahead and fill out. It's got the obituary, so I'm going to paste in the obituary I had sitting on my pasteboard. I'm going to stick with the traditional 13x19. You can see the other options here. I'm going to submit legacy information. Now if we scroll back up to the top, you can see we've added our legacy to it, and our total is still $33.90. Now we start in with the stationery products, and you can see we've got the 3 different programs to pick from. We've got the registry book and the bookmark, prayer card, and thank you cards. So let's start with the registry book. We have 2 different sizes, the economy and the premium. The economy is a little smaller with black debossed text on the front. It says honoring life's memories, and it comes with, or it uses the 5.5, 8.5 paper, so you would actually have 8.5 by 11 paper, and you would just cut it in half. The premium comes with custom paper that's built for this. It's 6.5 by 9.5, and it has the gold inlay text, so it's a little bit bigger, a little bit nicer. And let's start with how to order this product. So we're going to click on that box. You can see the sample pages come up. A lot of this has already been filled out, pre-populated already based on the information you've already given us. And all we're going to do on page 2 is add some photos. We don't require that you add all 3 photos. We don't even require 2 or 1. If you want to have 0 photos here, you can have 0. We strongly suggest it so it'll look just clean and neat like our samples. Any text that's in a box like this, you can change it if you like. Just highlight it, put in what you want there or delete it. It's already repopulated with the obituary. So now you're done with pages 1 and 2, and if by chance you forget to do pages 3 and 4 and you hit submit registry book info, it'll tell you you forgot some information on page 3. So let's go to page 3, put in our place of birth and the place of death. Everything else has already been populated. You can choose from the two, the Bible verse and the poem, or put in your own custom text for a $5 charge. So let's just stick with Psalm 23. Let's add the photo up on the top over here. And that is it for the registry book. You can view pages 5 and 6. Again, those come standard whatever backgrounds you get, that's what will be ready for you to download. Close on that. Submit registry book information. Scroll up to the top and you can see the registry book has been added. Our total is still $33.90. Excuse me. Now we're going to pick one of these service programs. We have the trifold and the half fold. Both of those are 8.5 by 11, and then we have the smaller half fold, and you get 2 up on a page. So let's just pick this half fold. Fill out the forms anywhere that you need information. Most of it comes in pre-filled, but you'll have to fill out this information dealing with the service. So let's go. Everything looks good on pages, the back and the front cover. So the back page and the inside. And this is where it looks like this. So we'd ask again that you put 4 photos in. We're not making it mandatory, but we're just suggesting it. So let's put in our 4 photos. I'm obviously going pretty random here, but you would kind of have whatever order you give it to us is the order the artist will keep it in. And then over here, again, you can change this text if you like. This text is all going to show up. And now click on this gold bar to bring up this form, and this is where you can type in all your headers and subheaders for the actual service. So I'm just going to type in a few to get the idea and get this going here. But you would type in whatever you want, and as you do this over time, it'll remember what you type in after you push in the first few letters, so it'll kind of go quicker and faster for you. Go to the next one, in the garden. And on down the line. So you would fill out up to 10 of these, and I think we've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is it? 8 of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So you can see that works nice. So if you happen to do more, it's just going to get smaller text a little closer together. But you got up to 10 different headings and subheaders to do there. So hit done. You can see that will repopulate there. Our artists will grab all that information and size it and put it all together so it looks like this when it's done. So now I'm going to submit this. Scroll back up to the top, and you can see now we've added our program. So all we've got left is the bookmark, prayer card, and thank you card. And most of those are already pre-filled out. There's not much you need to add, except if you want to choose some text that would be different. You can choose the text here in the bookmark text. We're going to go with that one, submit information. Prayer card. Pick which text you want again. $5 if you want custom text. Submit that. The thank you card. We have 3 different back sets of text that all say something a little bit different. You can pick any of those 3 or go blank, and the family can write in their own condolences and submit the thank you card. If you scroll up to the top, you see we ordered everything but the marquee, and our total is still $33.90. You can go back in and edit anything, change anything by hitting edit. I'm going to go ahead and save and continue. And this final page comes up and it gives you detailed information of everything you've submitted for every product. You kind of scroll through that. You can click on these photos to double check that's the right photos that you've got and that you like. Double check your spellings here. Scroll down to the very bottom, and if you need to make it a rush, now's the time to do that. Otherwise, you go back, edit your order, and that's it. Once you submit this, our artist will do all the artwork. Within a few hours, you'll have it all back, and then I will talk to you with another tutorial on the general printing process and finishing these as well, as far as folding and trimming. You're going to submit order, and you're done.